Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity. And today I'm sharing three amazing entry-level job opportunities for the 2024 and the 2025 passed graduates. So, if you are looking to start your career with the big companies like HSBC, Wipro, or SAP, then stay tuned. I will explain you each and every role what the company is offering and what are all the day-to-day responses are there for those roles and what is eligibility criteria in order to apply for this role. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where will you get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first, the job role is from the HSBC, and in this they are hiring for the business analyst role. So first, let's talk about the HSBC. So it is one of the world's largest bank with an operations of the 62 countries. So they are now hiring for the business analyst role. As a business analyst, where you will help the bank to run smoother by identifying the problems, and also you will be suggesting the solutions which are solving the 100% of that problem, and you will be working with the many of the teams to make the changes of that thing. Okay, now you will be doing the key responsibilities like day-to-day responsibilities as a business analyst. So you will use an improvement mindset where like you will be finding the issues and you will be finding the solutions, and that is brainstorming the solutions for the problems what they have, and you will structure in the big or a unclear problem. So you will be basically in this you will be finding the solutions for the problems what the HSBC customers they have. So before making any change, like you will be evaluating the cost, benefits, and the possible obstacles, and also you must be explaining the complex information in a simple, clear, and very concise way. So each and every like a person can able to understand what the complex things will also be there. That complex issues or complex solution you need to explain in a very simple and easiest manner. And there are some many different audience, like sometimes to the IT teams, or uh, you will be just having the meetups with the IT teams too as well. So this is a very wide range of role where we can say business analyst. So you will be having some of the business teams or business meetups with the IT teams too as well also. Now let's what the skills that the HSBC is looking for the candidates. So you must have the business analysis like BA methods we have, and process mapping, data analysis, and you'll have the knowledge of very good knowledge of the SQL. Okay, and you must have the experience with the agile, and you agile methodologies we have, and also having like experience and very much comfortable with the Jira software. And so basically there is a workflow what they follow is of agile workflow. In the they will be having a agile ways of working very better thing. And you must have the stakeholder management where in this working with the businesses, IT, and data operations team. And you have the some of the design and change management in like having a strong requirements gathering and process design and change management skills, having a better knowledge of the domain and basic understanding of the asset management, wealth management, capital markets, or investment banking, as this is the banking sector. So you must have to know about some of the money related concepts like wealth management, asset management, as you all know. So, and you must be somewhat of familiar with the data analysis tools we have like Tableau, Power BI, and Python languages, coming to the program languages. Okay, and the experience, like the prior experience is of like if you have any done any internships or the projects you have done in the in the college, or personally or professionally have done the projects which are in the business analyst role, then it is good to go with that. Okay, and so that's about this role. And the eligibility criteria to not apply for this is of like they are looking for the bachelor's or a master's in the relevant field like finance, economics, computer science, etc. So they are preferably for the 2024 or 2025 graduates only, and they must have the good academic records and good percentage overall from the 10th, 12th, and graduate. Okay, and you must have the experience like in having that option, and you must be a very good problem solver. So that's about this HSBC's business analyst role. Okay, now so make sure when you're applying, you in your resume highlights like any relevant internships you have done in the business analyst role and data analysis projects that you have been done, or you have done any SQL related works. So make sure you mention this all things in your resume. Now, if you have any questions about this role, drop them in the comment below. I will help you to sort out that. Now, coming to the second role is of like Wipro. It is come from the Wipro. As we all know, Wipro, it is one of the leading technology services and a consulting firm with a over of 230,000 employees worldwide. Now they are having the opening in the management trading in the asset servicing based, which is in the Bangalore location. So all of these three companies, whatever I'm saying, they're of Bangalore location based only. So if anyone person who are interested to work in the Bangalore, so then the three opportunities are well and good. Now, as a management trainee, your work will be directly in the financial product data, and you will be supporting the daily operations and asset servicing clients in the Wipros. Okay. Now let's talk what the key responsibilities are there as a management trainee. Now, asset servicing activities like you will be taking a process task like drawdown, pay down, interest, or well-known tools like financial data and reconcile cash and position data across all the funds every day using the Duco platform or similar tools. And you will be handling the exceptions like identifying, fixing the exception from the Geneva like contract modification or missing agent notice. So you must have the communications better where with the global teams you are going to work with the foreign clients so that your communications will be a matter a lot. And you must have like done a documentation and training like creating the standard operating procedures like SOPs you have, and where it will help to train the new team member so that they can able to understand what the work is all about. And the project support, it is well and should be there because in this the system integrations, user acceptance testing and ongoing projects are needed. So this workflow you need to manage a lot. Okay. Now the desired candidates that the profile the Wipro is looking for is like understanding of the having the hands-on experience in the Geneva, like using the Geneva to process credit facility and activities in the big place in this role. And reconciliation experience like you must have familiar with the Duco or any other reconciliation platforms, and having the technical skills like strong Microsoft Excel, like overall the MS Office. If you have the knowledge, it's a better thing in this role. And main thing that is of like soft skills, because you're going to talk with the foreign clients and all those things. So communication in English, both verbal and written, to work with the global clients, as I told before, it's a must and well and should be there. And your mind should be an analytical mindset where you solving the complex problems like accounting related and technical issues which is from the customer end. So there will be a tight deadline, so in that tight deadline you must have to find out the solutions and sort out the problems what the uh, customer is getting of like. Okay. Now if you have any questions or like any doubts regarding to this, so please comment down below, and make sure if you when you are applying for this role, uh, like mention your resume, like highlight your resume like regarding the academic projects which are related to the finance, reconciliation or data analysis type of projects. Now coming to the third role, that is of like SAP. It is coming from the, as we all know, SAP, which is a global leader in enterprise software related, and they are hiring for the developer associate, it is nothing but a Java full stack. Okay. And this is a Bangalore based location only. So here you will join to their cloud HCM is nothing but a human capital management team. So if you love coding and want to work on a cloud based HR solutions, so this is a great role that is for you. Now what you will be doing in this role is of like you will be contributing the code, like writing the efficient and very clean code and very documented way, where the code should be in a reusable manner only. Okay. So in that type your Java code should be there. Okay. And you must in this also you need to be have learn and grow. In this you will have the collaborate with the experienced developers to design, develop and test very new product features what have been developed. And also you will be helping to analyze and fix the issues in the both new and existing code base, whatever the features have been developed. You will sort out the problems what the features are having. And also you will taking a part in the code reviews and team discussions, and as well as the agile process to support the team success, because as a team success then only you are going to be success. If your work is not at all there also, you must be, if you know that work, then you are able to help to that work as well also. In this you will be assisting in the troubleshooting and resolving the customer related issues. In this way you are making the customer to be satisfied and making the problems whatever the customers are getting, you are sorting out the thing. And you must have to improve the continuously in the technologies, like every day there will be a new technologies and new things will be arising, so you must be familiar with those all technologies too as well. Now the what this SAP is looking for the candidate is of like BE, BTech, ME, MTech in the computer science or any related field from the top universities. Okay, and they must be passed out from the 2024 or later. That is nothing but the 2025 pass outs are also eligible to apply for this role. And they must have the strong CS fundamentals and having the good understanding of the data structures, algorithms, and object-oriented programming concepts in the Java. And they must have the very much knowledge of coding in the Java programming language and having experience in developing the web application through the Java and having the framework exposure, like it is a plus point in this where using of the Spring REST APIs or ORM frameworks. So these are the uh, like we can say plus point in this row. Okay, and having the knowledge of front end basics like HTML, CSS, and JS by using any one of the framework like React.js or AngularJS is an advantage. And you must have to develop a website using those things. You have some of familiar through that things as well. And having the soft skills is a mandate, because if you are talking in a very good manner and having the better communication skills, in this way you having the strong analytical and problem solving skills, you'll be engaged, and as well as you will become a good communicator and good team player will be as well. Okay, now if you have any doubts regarding about this role, do comment down below and I will sort out those things. And while you are applying for this role, so make sure your resume highlights any project regarding the Java and having the academic coding assessments you have done before, or any of the internships that have been done in the Java full stack have done a real-time projects, then you can able to mention those in the resume so that they will get highlighted. With this you are you have the better having the experience, you will be showcasing them through the projects only. Now all these three companies offer the strong learning paths, global exposure, and three chance and have the chance to work on the real world projects. So if you are interested, the links are in the description box, so you can just apply it over there and don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Opportunity and for more career updates. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below, and I will sort those all problems. And good luck with your application, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your applications.